So I'm in the canteen of a residential. They're just doing the rice here.
Nice.
So this rice is ready now, right? And there's the rice water. And here's some other ingredients for the daily foods. They're cooking here with wood. That is chicken stew. And there are some vegetables in here. So this is Maras. Maras can tell us, where are we here, please?
We're at this residential hall called Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Residential Hall. So this is the kitchen for only for this hall.
And they're really only cooking on wood here?
Yes.
It looks a bit ancient, actually.
Because it's a big area and we have lots of fuel left from the wood, so they use it.
Okay. So you see quite a simple kitchen, but the food they are doing, it looks good.
Nice.
Looks good.